Alright, this is our brain. The ridges are the gyri. The cerebral hemispheres are divided by the longitudinal fissure. The central sulcus divides the frontal lobes with the parietal lobes. The temporal lobes are on the sides, and the occipital lobes are in the back. The cerebellum is connected by the worm-like structures of the vermis. The spinal cord includes this area here. Can you flip it around? And we have the spinal cord here, the medulla oblongata, the pons, and the cerebral peduncles. We have the olfactory bulbs here, and the optic nerve here. We also have the ocular motor nerve right here. Then we have the mammillary bodies right here. Then can you pull back the cerebellum? Then we have the superior colliculi and the inferior colliculi, which make up the corpora quadrigenuma. That's not right. And then we have the dura mater here, which we took off. That's the connective tissue. And the arachnoid mater and the pia mater you can't really see, but it's still kind of on there. Then if you open it up, the corpus callosum is this area right here. The fornix is the triangle. The septum pellucidum is the membrane. Can you get the other brain to show that? That covers the lateral ventricle. And in there is the choroid plexus, that dark structure right there, that produces the cerebral fluid. Then we have the thalamus, and superior to the thalamus is the epithalamus, this area here, which connects to the pineal gland. Then the third ventricle here goes into the cerebral aqueduct, which finishes in the fourth ventricle. And then to describe the cerebellum a little bit more, the white matter is the arbor vitae, the gray matter is the folia, and then we have a floccular nodular lobe right here.
Okay, and that sums up part 1 of the brain dissection. Okay, part 2 of the brain dissection video. Some other structures that you can see at the mid-sagittal cut are the superior and inferior colliculi. Here are the superior colliculi, and down here is the inferior colliculi. Also, you can see the optic nerve, which falls right along here, and this little circle here would be the mammillary bodies. Pulling off our dura mater, we lost a lot of our nerves, which you would be able to see down here. Starting on the medulla, you would be able to find the vestibulocochlear nerve, which would be right along here, and then right next to it would be the facial nerve. Right here along this line, you would be able to find the trochlear nerve, and then a larger nerve that would be next to it would be the trigeminal nerve. Up above it here would be the abducens nerves, and then up here on the pons you would be able to find the ocular motor nerves, which would be right along here. Then again, as we showed earlier, you can find the optic nerves here. There's one here, and then the other one was next.